What are we doing?
Going on a trip.
That's right. We are going on a trip. And my wife says I'm crazy, and that could be correct because we're all loading up in the motorhome with the enclosed trailer, and we are going on a trip. All right, Kai, where are we at?
Oregon.
Oregon. Is it cold?
Yeah.
We are all such wusses. It is so cold.
And Kylie's in pajamas.
Kylie's in her pajamas.
I have like 3 jackets on.
You know, there was that one time when you were driving down the road in the middle of nowhere and you saw a sign or maybe just a bunch of random whatnot, and we decided, hey, let's go check it out. I don't know, man, that looks scary. That's like a little cage.
Oh yeah, no. Maybe we can put Kylie in that.
The water making.
And then it would just spin. Look. Whoa. Whoa.
I would not.
Would you go in it? No? No way?
I'd have Kylie go in it.
You'd have Kylie go in it, not you?
Yeah, Kylie's the lightest.
You're crazy. So we found this snow park right off the freeway. Oh, Kaden just ate it. We found some snow. There's Kai. What do you think, Kai? So we found this snow park right off the freeway. It's pretty awesome. Kids are having fun. Is this awesome, Kai?
Yeah.
So this is where we camped last night. You can see the motorhome over there. It's pretty cool. It's like a snowmobile park.
Now we're leaving the snow soon. And
I think Ford might be having the most fun just being crazy in the trails. And another frozen road.
Frozen? I know it's frozen. Like, I just want to go frozen. Ford! Look, Ford! He's gonna happily do it. Ford! Yeah, it's like frozen.
Look at this. Wow, look at that waterfall. That's so much water. There's Mom's ice plunge.